YouTube pa more. Star Wars. I think it will be Thursday movie day. Meanwhile, it's flat. Another vlog. Today is movie Thursday, so tonight we'll be watching the Han Solo Star Wars movie. That would be interesting. But this morning, let us do some tasks and work first, then let's watch a movie tonight. So let's do this. Papalitan na yung goma? Yung interior? Okay, sige. Tapos pakiayos na rin to. Yung kinabit nyo. They are now fixing, they are going to replace the interior. Dito no? Luma na ba to? Oh, parang luma no? Hindi ba natin pinalitan yan dati? Okay. Sige. Let's have a montage of bikes. Thank you.
6.5 hours later.
Ano? Are you ready to watch the Han Solo Star Wars? Aysin, mahihain pala sa vlog, oh, sa video. Para makita ng mami at daddy niya. Ang babait. Ha? Ang babait nito.
Uy! Si ate! Hindi sumakay. Ay, ano naman?
Dun. Guys, we are going in. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, we are done. The movie was nice. It's good. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Let's go home. Take some rest. Peace. Ano na? Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright guys. Peace. One touch. Insert music here. Ano, okay na kayo?
Okay na. Tingnan mo ba? Puro ano na lang.
Ayaw na bilhin yung burger ko. Try mo na po. Saan nangyari yung fries na lang ako?
Pray. Naka-pray na ko, pray.
Ito. Hindi nakita yung pagkain.
Di kinakita yung pagkain.
Okay lang yan.
Nasa frame ikaw, hindi kinakain.
One piece.
Labok.
Yes.
Let's try the spicy chicken challenge. Huh? Spicy.
Mayroon bago.
Ano nga?
Naka-alarm.
Ano? Spicy?
Ah?
Spicy?
Hindi.
Ayun hindi!
Ano hindi? Hindi naman.
Ang
Di spicy.